In this video we will see how to add collections to Shopify homepage. So let's go to our Shopify store and collections. So you make sure that you have some products collection, and I have already created a video on how to create collections and what are automated and manual collections, and I have also created a video on how you can upload some sample data in your Shopify store. So let's go back. So making sure you have some collection, you can follow this video and just go to the themes and you can click on customize. So here is our home page and we need to add the collections to the home page, and we can click on add section, and here to add some collections we will need to click on this collection list, and here we can just select the collection that we want to show. We will click on select collection and we can choose any collection, and we will add another one over here. You can click on save. Let's go to the store. So here you see that the collections are added but the images are being cut off because they are not properly sized. So we need the image to be like 600 cross 600. Okay, so if you want to create an image, you can just go to Canva and you can create an image for free, completely free. So you can also resize the image, like you can go to simple image resizer, and here you can upload your image by choosing the dimensions. You can just resize and you can download it and you can upload them and they will look good. So now let's see how we can display products of our collection. We can just click on add section and we will click on featured collection. Here we can just select a collection that we want to show. So maybe we want to show featured products, so we can add it. We can change the limit to 8, and now 8 products will be showing. Currently only one is showing because we have only one product in this collection and we will add more products, so 8 will show. So let's change the heading for this section. So let's click over here and update the heading, and you can also add a description. You can also select this thing, so the description that we added for the collection while creating the collection will show automatically, and we can also turn this off and we can add our own collection description manually over here, and we can scroll down now and we can change the more settings that we want to change. We can also check out the mobile version, and here you can change the number of columns on mobile, 2 columns or 1 column, whatever you want. Currently we have only one product, so that's why it's not showing. And now let's go to the desktop version and we can change this color scheme as well. Here you can see. Let's click on save and go back. Let's refresh, and here you can see the section. Go to the product and we can select some product and we can add to collection, and we can select the collection, click on save, and let's go back and refresh, and here you can see 8 products are now showing, and user can click on view all button to view the complete collection. So that's it for the video.